Still having issues posting to your story? I'll teach you how to fix that. What's up everybody, it's Braden here today, and today we're going to be talking about an issue that happens on Instagram sometimes when you're trying to post a video to your story or to your profile and you'll have Instagram crash. The reason is because Instagram does not support 4K video. They put a patch in and I'm not sure if it's working yet or not, but I still have mine crash sometimes. So today I'm going to be teaching you 2 ways to just get around that really easily if it still is crashing for you when you try to post to your story. It does not support, I cannot say whether or not it supports Android, but this is for iPhone at least. So let's get into it. So if you're having issues, you can open up Instagram here. And I'm not using screen recorder because it actually crashes my screen recorder. So if we slide over and slide up and we just grab a clip like this, if I want to post it to my story and I hit post, it freezes and then crashes the app and apparently my whole phone. See, it's not even working. Oh, there it goes. And it sometimes will post it and sometimes it'll not. It's like now it's uploading it and it uploaded it 3 times for some reason. But if you're having an issue with it not working, you can go to here, open it up, and then if you start your screen recorder and then watch the video, you can record the video on your phone, then stop the screen recorder, and the new screen recorded version is right here. And this version is actually a lot, it's a lower quality, but for Instagram, the quality wise is not going to be any different, as you can see. And then you can upload it to Instagram with no issues. The other way to fix this would be to airdrop the video to a Mac if you have a Mac, or put it on a USB or email it to yourself if you're on Windows. Bring it into Premiere or Final Cut Pro or whatever editing program you may have. Drop it in and just re-render it in 1080p. And that'll allow it to post to Instagram. So hopefully this helped you. Sorry if this is a kind of outdated video because, I mean, it's up to date, but Instagram is being really weird on 4K and sometimes it's working and sometimes it's not. So hopefully this helps you out. Please like and subscribe down below. If you'd like to learn more about Instagram tips like this or anything else with uploads or rendering videos, let me know and I can put some more ideas up on the board. So thank you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.